Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Niger News and Entertainment. Please, if you're watching this channel for the very first time, do well to subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section down below. Here in this channel, I will give you interesting and sophisticated gist as day hot. Yeah, guys. Okay, should I behave like that newscaster this morning? Our headlines for today: Angel wardrobe malfunction. Okay, guys.
They go call am prostitution. Who no like enjoyment? The money dey for pocket.
Is Angel one of the the first female to enter into the Big Brother Ninja house for the season 6 Shine Your High season? Angel, like, I was wondering, did she really have a wardrobe malfunction? Like, she just in the talking town. Did you see what she was putting on, guys? Just take a look at this. Just, can you see it? It's so annoying as a lady. Like, I didn't expect, even if at all you want to sell yourself, that's the best way to sell yourself. Being the first time you're entering the show, I believe you would have dressed much more sexy. Other than that, with the breast that's falling, only God know how many breastfeeding that you have done. It's not that it's even standing and it's pointed, pop pop pop. Yeah, guys, seriously, what did you think about Angel's dressing? Please, let's talk about this. Comment in the comment section down below. Let's vibe together, guys, on Angel's dressing. And to think of that, when she got into the house, it's only her that tie wrapper on the chest and go to the garden. Oh, auntie, why don't you tie wrapper, go to the room, or go to the bedroom, or go to the bathroom and go and bath, or anything you want to do? You not tie towel in your chest. Yeah, kilo day, you have just start. I will evict you. I will be the first person to raise my hand for your eviction. Yeah, guys, to add to the fact that even after bathing, did you see what she was putting on? Nyama. She did not even know that she had black bum gun. Whether she did not rub cream on the bum and she rubbed cream only on the face. My friend used to say two color body. I think Angel stands for two color body. Yeah, guys, please, let's vibe together. Comment in the comment section down below. Let's talk a little more about Angel together. Okay, guys, let's move on to White Money and Maria.
They breathe now. They breathe.
I just want to say real quick that when I first saw you, I was like, who is this mommy water?
Did you see Maria? When she entered into the house, I was like, wow. But seriously, in my head, I knew that there was more to her. But what is actually getting my attention is White Money and Maria are actually clicking together. Should we call this love at first sight? Should we call this crushing? Should we call this brother and sister? Which one? Because Maria is from Enugu State as well as White Money. So Maria is started now and funding of calling White Money brother. I want to go and call my brother. Like when they were all in the garden, that they want to start introducing themselves. White Money was yet to be around. So Maria was like, let me go and bring my brother. Let me go and bring my brother. And when they say, oh yeah, come and hit, oh, she said no, she doesn't feel like hitting. But later they say, who cooked the food? They say it's White Money that cooked the food. And she was like, okay, since it's White Money that cooked the food, I'm actually hungry now and I want to eat. So I have a taste for it. And then she actually baby eats rice, he eats beans at yeja with plantain for only you are inside your belly, because it's White Money that cook. And now, did you see this at night? White Money just cracking the girl up. Oh. I don't know who is liking. Is she the one that is liking White Money? Is it White Money that is liking her? But in my own opinion, to my own view, I feel she's the one actually clinging to White Money. So let's see the game, how it goes. Is White Money actually playing along, or he also is falling for Maria? Please, guys, let's vibe together. Comment in the comment section down below, and let's see how this is going to play out. Yeah, please, what do you think about Maria in the house? Let's talk a little bit about it. You remember from last season, Nengi was a crush on every guy. Sorry, the guy was the crush on Nengi. Everybody, you understand? So let's have your own opinion to some of the girls in the house. Let's have your opinion to Maria. Is she going to be every guy's crush, or she's going to be crushing on every guy? See how is it going to play out? Because I think every most persons are needing our attention, seriously, in my own opinion. Oh. So comment down below and let's talk and vibe together. Yeah, guys, don't forget, this is still your number one favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. We bring you lovely content from the world's decks as they hot. Stay glued to your television. It's still Big Brother Naija season 6. Shine your eye. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section down below. Bye.